Hello and a very good morning to you children. Hope you're doing well and taking care of yourself. Yes children, let's further do revision of the sight words. As I've told you children that it's not that you have to do all the words in one go. You just have to practice these words, and it's not that mandatory to do all the words. You just have to make it a point of doing the practice of these words daily. 10 words should be learnt daily, should be read, and should be given test of. Okay, in order to practice those words. Yes, I have give you one more suggestion to make a list of these words and place it on the wall of the child's room. You can learn them, you can read them in a playing way. Okay, so I have made a set of some jumbled words. You will try and answer them. Okay. F-R-O. What word are you going to make from this? It's F-R-O. If you feel like, you can write them also. F-R-O. What is going to be the spelling? F-R-O. Yes, it's going to be for. F-O-R. For. What is going to be the right spelling? This is wrong one. F-R-O. It is F-O-R. Next. I-S-T. What is going to be the right spelling? I-S-T. Yes. It is I-D-S. It's. I-D-S. It's. Next. H-T-Y-E. What will be the right spelling? H-T-Y-E. Read it again. H-T-Y-E. Yes, it's going to be T-H-E-Y. It's going to be they. H-T. So, what will you make? T-H-E-Y. They. But you have to read the jumbled words, jumbled alphabets again and again. H-T-Y-E. It's going to be T-H-E-Y. Next, T-E-H-M. T-E-H-M. Then it's going to be T-H-E-M. Them. What would be the right word? T-H-E-M. Them. T-H-E-M. Them. Next. L-U-F-L. L-U-F-L. What will be the right word? Yes, F-U-L-L. What's going to be the right word? L-U-F-L. F-U-L-L. Full. L-U-F-L. F-U-L-L. Full. Next, W-S-A. What will be the right word from this? W-S-A. It's going to be W-A-S. Was. Children, from this we can make one more word. W-S-A. It can be S-A-W. Yes, so. Dekha. S-A-W, and it can be W-A-S. Two words you can make. I-D-D. So, what will be the word here? I-D-D. It's going to be did. D-I-D. It's going to be did. D-I-D. Next. R-U-Y-O. R-U-Y-O. So, it's going to be Y-O-U-R. It's going to be Y-O-U-R. Your. Y-O-U-R. Your. Next. O-D. Next is O-D. It's very simple. Yes, I can hear kids saying some answer. It's going to be D-O-Do. O-D. It's going to be D-O-Do. Next. A-N-C. What will be the word? A-N-C. What word can you make? Read it again. Read the alphabets. A-N-C. Will it be N-A-C? No, it's not any meaningful word. N-A-C? No. A-N-C is already written. It's again a jumbled word. So it's going to be C-A-N, can. It's going to be C-A-N, can. What will be the word? C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. So again, start reading from here. It's going to be, right word is F-O-R for, I-T-S-X, T-H-E-Y they, T-H-E-M them, F-U-double-L full, W-A-S was, it was a wrong word, W-A-S, another word we can make with this, S-A-W saw, I-D-D, D-I-D did, R-U-Y-O, Y-O-U-R your, O-D odd, the answer is going to be DO2, and here C-A-N, can. Okay, if you feel like, you can write them down. Okay, in the same way you can practice them with fill-ups. First list words are very simple, children. They can be learnt in a day or in 2 days. So please do practice them in this way. Practice them in this way, either in jumbled form, okay, or in fill-ups form. Please do practice 10 words daily from both the list. Okay, and as and when we will start with other chapters, you will come across these words and you will learn in the chapter itself also. Okay, so don't worry, don't panic, but you have to practice 10 words daily. Okay, so I hope children must have written these words. Let's take another set of words. T-N-I-O. T-N-I. Now you are going to tell me what will be the right answer. Again. S-I-T-H. Again. So here, what's going to be the right word? Now you tell me, see and tell me. T-N-I-O. T-N-I-O. Again read it, read the alphabets. T-N-I-O into I-N. I-N. Then T is there. I-N-T-O into S-I-T-H. See, it is a very simple word. Very often it's used. S-I-T-H, T-H-I-S, this. Next, L-A-L, though it's also a word, but as far as grammar is concerned, we can make another word with this, A-double-L, all. A-double-L, all. Next, D-E-U-N-R. Read this alphabet word again, D-E-U-N-R. D-E-U-N-R, U-N-D-E-R, very good. D-E-U-N-R, U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay, U-N-D-E-R, under. So in the same way, you can write down and practice 10 words daily. That is a must, children. It is very much required. Okay, it's not that it's important for sentences. Next step in English in class 1 is to learn and read words. Okay, English is all about words and words frame sentences. Okay, so in this way you can practice the words. Let's see in fill-up form also. T-H here. What is this word? T-O-E. What word can be made from this? T-O-E. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Okay, in this way if you've learned the spelling, you will be able to fill in the blanks. T-H-O-S-E. Similarly, W-U-L-D. W-O-U-L-D. Wood. Okay. Another set is there, the S dash OU dash D, should. Here, UL sound is silent, SHOULD, should. Okay, another word. Yes, I read it yesterday. ONCE, once. ONCE, once. O was a fill in the blank. NC dash E, ONCE. So children, please write down and practice the words daily. It's must for the children to practice 10 words daily. Side by side, I'll start off with other chapters, okay? And please read, learn, practice these words. It's not required that you have to learn them in a day or so. You can practice them daily, side by side with other things, because you will come across these words in the chapters itself. Till then, take care. Goodbye.